Now, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Takeeya. Now today I'm going to be replacing my sister vehicle with her dream car. This is going to be epic. This is going to be funny. I'm going to tell her like I'm going to tell her I'm going to make sure I'm going to have to put a blindfold on her. Yeah, I think I'm going to put a blindfold on her, and I'm going to have to tell her that it's a surprise, because if I don't, because she's going to be like, a new car? What do you mean you got? But I'm gonna be like, it's a truck, it's something. I mean, it's a category of a truck. Do you want it or not? Y'all, let's get into this. On, guys. He gonna pay for it to put it back in. Shit. Put it in the face. She said she like. Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it all right. We're gonna take it all right. Yeah, this is mine. This is mine. I'm gonna take it around the corner, and this is gonna be my car. This is gonna be my car. Do you feel me? Should I park it right here? I'm gonna park it right here. All right, y'all. Let's get into it. On the guys. Oh, I'm about to walk back to the house real quick. I'm about to walk past the house. Something real swift like. They ain't even gonna know. They so into what they doing, they not even gonna notice I'm gone. So is y'all ready? Then be ready, because this finna get crazy and this finna get epic, and I'm ready and I'm fucking. Those of you who don't know. Oh shit, I thought something was chasing me. Never this.
Go, okay.
Sis, it was good. So I have a surprise for you.
I heard.
What do you mean you heard? What you hear? What you say?
He told me you had a surprise for me.
Okay.
He did tell me that.
So it's something that you've always wanted.
Mm-hmm.
It's big.
Mm-hmm.
It's a long body.
Sis?
Yeah, it's a long body, man. But you gotta close your eyes.
You starting to scare me.
Tell me you gotta close your eyes.
Wait. You starting to scare me. You said it's big, it's long.
Oh. You nasty mother. Okay.
That's not what I was talking.
Oh, oops.
What is you doing? Okay, come on.
Okay, so close your eyes, because I'm not going to be with the cheating stuff. I ain't got no blindfold because I trust you, okay?
Okay.
You got to be ready for the surprise.
I'm ready.
All right. Close your eyes.
Oh. All right, I'm closing them.
Okay. Now, walk with me, shorty. No. Keep walking straight. I like the shoes. Those are nice. Keep walking. Yeah. Come on. Keep walking. Hold on, stop. Close your eyes. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Bro. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Sis, just keep walking straight, okay?
Takeeya, what if I hit my... Oh,
You not, I promise.
it's a big dip.
No,
right
it's not. It's a big dip right there. Come on, walk.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
Hey, P. You ready?
Where I'm going.
Hold on, sis. Stay right, just right there. Just right there. P.
Something licking me.
What?
Something licking me.
Use the weekend, shorty. Let's make it. Okay, sis. So, you ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
You positive?
Yeah.
Open your eyes. This is it. This is her. Wait, it's a problem right now because he didn't come put the rims on it how I said. But it's still red. I had to trade your car to get this one. It still got the red in and everything. You like it?
Where's my car?
I said I traded it.
You better not have traded my car. What is this?
It's your new car. It got the red, it got the blue and the white in one. We missing the.
Do you see this?
Yes, it's beautiful. It got so much potential.
Where is my car?
I told you I traded it. I had to trade it to get
Takeeya, this ain't funny. Do you see this?
Yeah.
It says punk
Ass
ass
bitch
bitches
dog.
on there.
Yeah. So, look. Let me tell you something. So let me show you. Look it.
Takeeya, this is not funny.
It's the big body. How you like it? It got three seats.
Where is my car, Takeeya? Where's my car? Stop acting. Where's my car? Takeeya, where's my car?
I
Do you
told
see this
you
car?
I traded it in.
Look at this. This car, dirt is molded on
It's
it.
nothing to take it through the car wash. But look, 740 O's on the ass.
Stop acting
I
stupid.
traded
That's
it.
the one thing
I
you
thought
don't
you
play
liked
with.
it.
You traded my car for this?
Yes. This is the man's. He was supposed to put the rims on it.
Where did you get this from? You thought I was gonna be happy with this?
I got it. Yes, because it got so much.
No. It got so much what?
Potential. Look,
Takeeya, I'm finna give you 5 seconds.
they got new plates and tags.
No.
The plates ain't even. Come on.
No. I'm
You
about to
ready?
give you 5 seconds to find my
Open
car.
the door. This is it. I can't take it back. He closed.
You can't do what?
I can't take it back. He closed.
Takeeya, you open the door. Open the door.
Huh?
Open the door.
We can't right now. Let go.
Open the door. Sis, open the door.
You ain't gotta heal me up like that.
You
ain't gotta heal me up.
You better go find
Let
my
me
car
go.
right now, and I'm not playing.
It's gone. Come on. It's gone. Why you getting all rowdy?
Takeeya, you play too damn much.
I see you, man.
Stop playing with me.
Sis, this it. You don't like trying to play so much. Go get my car.
Go get my car. Go get my car. Car, Takeeya.
That's it.
You got me falling in fucking dirt.
So you gotta be grateful now because this is what you got until the morning. So we gotta go home. Why you crying? What you crying? Okay. Okay, wait, sorry. It's just a prank. Sis, stop crying. It's just a prank. Your car. Come on, come with me. Your car down the street.
No. Don't put me on no camera.
Sis, why are you crying? I told you it's down the street.
Oh,
Damn, but I don't know where your keys at.
Takeeya, stop playing. Where's my car? Where is it?
Come on, let's go get it. Come on, sis. Come on. Oh, P. I feel sad. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Takeeya, and I'm back with another video. Now, today I'm in the driver's seat. You know why? Do you know? Do you know why? Do you know why? Why I'm in the passenger seat? Because Binks is in the house right now. She would be right now in the house. I'm gonna be to her. I'm gonna be telling her that I got a surprise for you. It's something you've been wanting for a long time. So boom, I do have a surprise for her, and it's gonna be a new vehicle, right? So, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Takeeya. Now today I'm going to be the